values that count parentheses value underscore tuple to count. Sorry. Print parentheses double quotation f the value curly bracket value to count occurs curly bracket count time in parentheses in the tuple. Wait. Enter. We will do choice number 2 and 3. We're just inputting values to the print number 1. In choice number 2, we'll do if choice is equal to number 2, then colon. Same to number 3, value to find. Because we will find the index of the value. Input is equal to parentheses double quotation enter the value to find its index. Then type if value underscore to underscore find in values colon enter index equals values dot index parentheses value underscore the underscore find, then enter print parentheses the value, then curly brackets value to underscore to find, then put f, then is not in that tuple. Then after it, I think it's already okay. We will do elif again. Else, wait, if else, yes. Print the values. We need to put also is found, because we just only put not found. If the value exceeded, in else print it will put not in the tuple, but if found, it will say is found at index. Okay. Then type elif choice is equal to 3, which is the exit colon print exiting the program, then break, then else print invalid choice if I put number 4. Okay, that should display if double underscore name, then equal double quotation main, and type and enter. then main parenthesis, then run. There's a error in 26, we will fix that. Find unexpected indent. Fix that error. To index. Well, to find. Still in error. It was found in number 2. Choice number 2. I think we need to update that. The section of code, line of code in number 26. Wait. It's valid to find. Ready work. Let's try again. So in here, if you see, I just update and also put index is equal to index, valid to find. And also there's an error in 36, that's why it wasn't running. So we'll try 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, then find number 1. We put number 1 because only one time the number 1 was displayed. That's how you use and to do tuple methods. Okay? What if we try to create more, right? So before we do that, we will do 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Four times because we put 2 4 times, then also index is 0, then 2, 3, 4, then exit. Okay, so we will now we will combine everything. Okay, medyo matagal-tagal to na code, so I will skip it forward. Then let's see how this will do. Okay, now we run it and we are successful to create to combine every tuple. So we choose number 1. I will put my name, then 1, 2, Pedro, 3. Current tuple, we will update join 1, and we will put 2 elements, John and 4. You see the already entered 5 and 6 for number 3. Unpack, we will do loop. Automatically it will display the current, yeah. 0, then 3 index. Sun is not tuple. Try again. For the demonstration of tuple methods, we put 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 0. Then we will try it. That's how you update tuples for number 6. We're gonna run it again. That's the line of code that I use. Okay. So try 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. We will do number 2. That's the line of code that I use. Okay. So try 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Then we will do number 2, comma, Eliakim 6. Then house, then number 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4, automatically. Then 5, tuple method, 1, enter the value, number 3, just 1 time because we put 3 1 time, then 2, number 4, this is 3, then number 6, we will update number 6 element and we will change this 1. So that's how you do it. Okay, that's the end of my presentation.